Bollywood stars who can speak excellent English. Priyanka Chopra. She was already fluent in her fluency in English as she completed her studies in USA. Many times, Priyanka was criticized for having fake accent. But actually, it's wrong. Moreover, working in Quantico and Baywatch improved her English fluency a lot. Now, her American accent has just become awesome after getting married to Nick Jonas. Shah Rukh Khan. He's so fluent in English that his accent is better than any English-speaking person. Being an expert in English language, he gives motivational speeches in the universities around the world. Not only in English, Shah Rukh Khan is fluent in Urdu, Kannada and German. Deepika Padukone. She was born and brought up in Copenhagen, Denmark, and that's why she got the fluency in English from childhood. Her English-speaking fluency made her path easy to get into Hollywood films. Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali has been talented from her childhood, studies in Columbia University. So her English fluency is just amazing. She is a really good speaker. Salman Khan. He is not enlisted in educated actors lists as he left his college for building his Bollywood career. Still, his English speaking skills is better than many actors. Salman worked hard to improve his English speaking skill. Saif Ali Khan. We all know that he is talented and his education in England was the reason for his vast knowledge on English language. His acting career may not be that much impressive, but his English speaking skills is actually excellent. Abhishek Bachchan. The Junior B really talks well in English. He surely is humorous, witty and a good speaker. He completed his studies in foreign countries and that made his English speaking skills damn good. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She's not a highly educated person, but she's actually talented and her English speaking skill is good enough. She's actually fluent in English from her school days. Fluent English in her nasal voice sounds really cool. Amitabh Bachchan. This talented actor is one of the highly educated stars in Bollywood with great acting skill. He's acclaimed by lots of awards from foreign land and his English speaking skills is actually good. Kangana Ranaut. This talented actress was not able to complete her college for her Bollywood career. In her initial days in Bollywood, Kangana was often insulted for her poor English-speaking skills. But later, Kangana tried a lot to improve her English-speaking skills. Now, her fluency in English is just awesome. Rajinikanth. This talented actor is not only fluent in English, but also in Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil and Marathi. Malika Sherawat. No, we are not at all concerned for her Bollywood career as she has become nobody in the film industry. But we have to admit that she speaks English and speaks really well. Who is the most talented star according to you? Leave your thoughts in your comment section.